So, you want to go to Disney World in Florida? Well, the hardest part is knowing where to begin. The first step is to determine when you want to go. You can make this decision based off of weather, crowd levels, special events at the park, etc. Typically, we see the lowest crowds on weekdays when there are no major holidays and during the winter. Next, you will need to decide where you want to stay. On-site at a Disney-owned resort, which comes with some special perks such as early theme park entry, or at an off-site hotel, then it's time to decide which type of ticket to buy. A regular ticket or a park hopper, which allows you to visit more than one park per day. Now that you have made these decisions, it's time to book or have a travel agent like us book for you. You'll need to book the resort, the tickets, the advanced dining reservations, decide if Genie Plus is right for you. Oh, and don't forget airport transportation if needed. This can all be a little bit overwhelming, and if it is, that's okay. We're here to help and can handle almost all of this for you. Just reach out.